Good morning to all the class 8 students. In this video, we are going to watch we are going to perform your chemistry lab. That means what we have in this video, we have combined two experiments together and then we have done. The first experiment is experiment number 8, that you have to see the water absorption capacity of the fibers which is obtained from the plant fibers, animal fibers and then synthetic fibers. And in experiment number 9, we have to distinguish between them. That means what? We have to distinguish between the natural fibers and the man-made fibers. So before beginning with the activity, let me tell you what do it mean. The fibers which are obtained from plant fibers and animals fibers, they are called as the natural fibers, and the fibers that is your synthetic fibers, they are the man-made fibers, or you can say they are the artificial fibers. So the fibers which are obtained from the plant fibers, examples will be like cotton is there, jute is there, all these kind of fibers are obtained from plant fibers. And the fibers which are obtained from animal sources are like goat, camel, wool, all these will be what? Like woolen clothes, wool is obtained from them, silkworm, silk rods are obtained from the animal fibers. So these kind of fibers are obtained from the animal sources. So we have to see the absorption capacity of the fibers obtained from plant fibers as well as from the animal fibers, and then we have to distinguish between them, which are the man-made fibers and then which are the natural fibers. So we know the fibers which are obtained from plant sources and animal sources are called as the man-made natural fibers. So you will be writing down whatever materials you have taken from the plant fiber, just write down. Then nothing we have to do for experiment number 9. You have to just write whatever is given in the book, and then you have to complete it in your lab manual, because everything is given there. No need to writing. You know what is natural fibers and what is man-made fiber. Just we have to distinguish between them. And then experiment number 8, we have to see which fiber has more water absorption capacity. That means what? Whether the plant fiber has the more water absorption capacity or the animal fiber has the more water absorption capacity. For the plant fiber you can take cotton, and then from the animal fiber you can take what? You can take woolen cloth or silk cloth also you can take, and see which one has the more water absorption capacity. Now let us go and see which fiber has the more water absorption capacity. So as you can see here we have taken what? The cotton has been obtained from the plant fiber, and the animal fiber we have taken the wool clothes. That means you can take dip this cotton in the piece of water here, and then even you dip this animal fiber here in the water, and then leave it for some time. You can leave it for 2 to 3 minutes, or you can leave it for 1 minute also. It is enough to see which one absorbs more water. After this you take out the cloth from the water and see which one has the more water absorption capacity. You take out the woolen one first. You can see it is quite heavy in nature after it has been dipped into the water, and then you will take out even the cotton one. The cotton before it is dipped into the water, it is very light, but as we can see the cotton has more water absorption capacity than your woolen cloth. So the plant fiber has the more water absorption capacity, that is cotton. Cotton has the more water absorption capacity as compared to your handkerchief, which is made from the wool one, has the less water absorption capacity. This is your experiment number 8 that you have to write down in your lab manual. So you have seen the fibers which is obtained from the plant sources, that is your cotton, it has the more water absorption capacity as compared to the animal fiber, that is your wool one, or you can take even the silk cloth. Similarly you take the man-made fiber like nylon, polyester, all these fibers you take it and then you dip into the water, leave it for some time and then take out. You will be seeing it will absorb very less amount of water as compared to your natural fibers. So this is your experiment. You perform this experiment at your home also, and watch the video also, and complete the lab manual in your lab manual book too. Thank you.